Let's be honest, taxes are confusing, boring, and nobody really wants to deal with them. But what if I told you HMRC might owe you hundreds of pounds and you are just sitting on it? It is your money, and today I'm breaking down 10 legit ways to claim a UK tax refund, whether you are employed, self employed, retired, or even living abroad. This applies to you. Why you need to know this? Every year, millions of people in the UK overpay taxes and most never claim it back. That could be you. You worked, you paid in, but for all sorts of reasons, the system doesn't always get it right. Let's fix that today. Let's make sure you are not leaving money on the table. The 10 tax refund types. Number 1. You overpaid through PAYE. If you work a regular job, your tax is usually taken automatically through PAYE. But here is the catch. If your situation changed mid-year, like starting a new job, switching roles, working part-time, your tax code might have been wrong. You started a new job in August. Your employer taxed you as if you would earn that wage all year round. You did not, and now you have overpaid. What to do next? Check for a P800 tax calculation from HMRC or log into your HMRC account. If they owe you, you can claim online and you could have the money back. Number 2. You paid for job-related expenses. If you paid out of your own pocket for things needed to do your job and your boss did not pay you back, you can claim it back. We are talking about buying your own tools, cleaning your uniform, driving your own car to multiple sites, or working from home without reimbursement. You are a tradesperson who bought £300 in tools last year. If your employer did not reimburse you, you can claim for that and get tax back. Form P87 online, it is simple and you can go back up to 4 years. Number 3, you are a retiree and still paying too much taxes. Pensions are taxed like pay, and if you have multiple pensions, things can get messy. HMRC might use the wrong tax code and you won't even notice. You get income from 2 pension pots. One gets the personal allowance, the other gets taxed like it is extra when it is not. What to check? Look for a P800 or call HMRC. If there is an error, they will refund you automatically or send you a check in the post. Number 4. Self-assessment overpayment. If you file a self-assessment and pay your own taxes, it is easy to overestimate your bill, especially if your income fluctuates. You are self-employed and last year your income dropped, but you would already made a big payment on account. That means you overpaid. Once your return is filed, HMRC will show if you are due a refund. Add your bank details and the refund usually hits in under 2 weeks. Number 5. You were made redundant. Losing your job is hard enough, but most people don't realize their final redundancy payout is often overtaxed. Why? Because HMRC assumes you will earn that same amount every month, when in reality you won't. You got a redundancy package in April, taxed as if you will earn that level of income all year round. But you are out of work by May, meaning you overpaid. Call HMRC and explain your situation. They may issue a manual refund before the tax year end. Number 6. You live abroad but earn UK income. Even if you are based overseas, if you are earning rental income, dividends, or interest from the UK, you might be overpaying. UK taxes. Use Form R43 to claim back overpaid UK tax as a non-resident. You live in Spain but rent out your flat in Manchester. That income was taxed in the UK, but thanks to tax treaties, you can often get some money back. Number 7. You got taxed on savings or PPI, but earned under the threshold. If your total income was under £17,570 and you earned interest on savings or got a PPI payout, you should not have paid tax on it. You made £15,000 in part-time wages plus £300 in bank interest and got taxed on the interest. That tax can be reclaimed. Fill out Form R40. It is especially useful for students, carers, or low-income earners. Number 8. You overpaid on annuities or retirement income. Some annuities are taxed before your total annual income is known, leading to excess tax deductions. If you get a P800 after your tax year ends and it shows you overpaid, HMRC usually sends a refund check in 2 to 3 weeks. Number 9. You paid UK tax on foreign income. If you worked abroad, freelanced overseas, or had income from another country and got taxed in the UK, you might be due a refund. You worked remotely for a US company while living in the UK. You got taxed here, but thanks to the UK-US tax treaty, you might be eligible for a reclaim. What to do? You will need to prove tax was paid elsewhere. HMRC will adjust accordingly. Number 10. You left the UK partway through the tax year. If you left the UK for good but earned UK income before you left, you may have overpaid tax based on a full year's allowance. Form P85 to claim back tax on UK income earned before you left the country. You moved to Australia in September but were taxed as if you would stay the whole year. Refund time. Action steps. Let's wrap this up. Step 1. Check your P800 or log in your HMRC online account. Step 2. Identify which category fits you, PAYE, redundancy, tools, or pension. Step 3. Use the correct form, P87, R40, R43, P85, or call them. Scam warning. Heads up. HMRC will never email or text you about a refund. If you get a message claiming you owed money, it is a scam. Only trust the official gov.uk website. Look, life is expensive. If HMRC owes you money, go claim it. You earned it. Drop your questions in the comments and subscribe for tips that actually save you money.